Kimitri Sarkar berkemeli jangka UDP ka lengokan bagi ikut khabar bagi sosial media ya khabar bagi UDP kada wapan bagi no jem sama naksh kimitri jok tapi boarding ka jela habe kermat ki kada tu bagi amdan cinti bi eru halokani namar amdan batwa ni amir jemut naki bakamdan ru kono ko jingalan jok pati pancem rah halokani habe kermat menteri kata kampo i ka jela umalak man boy bagi juru menteri kata revenue umakraman sela kapan payo ka juk osor bagi amdan cinti bi eru halokate ka shti namar amdan batwa ni amir jemut naki
through Facebook regarding this request for dropping of Sir James. But for me personally, for me myself, I was not in that meeting, and who was present in that meeting, so I don't know. So based on what ground this drops, dropping of Sir James, so I don't know. So the best is that for me, I'll wait till President comes, then we will have a meeting. So based on that, let's hear from him. So why this letter come out? So that is all from my side. So we are not aware how it came out. So, but still, we will sit as a party because this letter come from the party. So we also are a part of the party. So we will sit together and then come into one solution, then maybe into one discussion that what things need to be done. So we'll come as a team, not only a few members. So even that also I cannot say what they are doing, whether it's right or wrong, and then in whose direction. So for that we need to clarify by having a meeting all of us. A regional party, especially UDP, we want anything whenever we take any steps ahead, it should be with all concerned, especially the elected members and all the members of the party. So that's why for this may be misunderstood or maybe steps which need to be taken. So that's why we have to have a meeting where all of us present and then give our own ideas, shares our thoughts, what needs to be done and whether that step needs to be taken, but it should be in a proper way. People will suffer. So the same thing I believe that even Sir James also, we saw that he's trying his best as a minister concerned so that to solve the problem of the state. He is also trying his best. Here whom to blame? We cannot blame him alone because here we all of us as a government. So if want to be blamed, it should be blamed as a government. He cannot be blamed alone. We are a part of the government, so I think if his failure, that means a failure of us all together. We should come into a meeting where we can call him also together and then find a solution because we saw he tried to clarify in the session from his side why we suffer, why is this load shedding going on. He clarified from his side. But it's just that when things happen this way, so who's right, who's wrong, we cannot say. But it's not that he also he cannot pay from himself, not the money, that all the dues, how can he pay? Until unless we from the government we provide the money for the dues, so he cannot do it. But still, I believe that we will come to a solution because we are family as MDA. Here we need to solve it as a family. So I believe all the elected members and even the party members of all the MDAs will work as a team so that will come into solution and then our people of the state will have a peaceful stay in our state. That is what I believe. That's what for this we will have a meeting, then we'll try to solve it. Mistakes happen with everybody, and this is whether it's a mistake or it's a right decision. I cannot say as of now. So we are waiting for our president. So let the president decide what steps should be taken from our side. Then we will come with the same solution. I mean, with the same whatever decision will be taken from our side, we will come as a UDP unitedly. I cannot say what is why the reason we are not called, or maybe they are trying to call us because I myself I was in my constituency, and maybe they tried to call and I cannot, and they couldn't reach me. So maybe that is one gap when it comes to communication, or maybe to call me in that for presenting myself in the party meeting. But for myself, I didn't get any call, so that I cannot say. And for the rest also, maybe they too also get a call, but they cannot attend. So if we get a chance to attend in that meeting, then things would have been clear, or maybe we can give our comments also based on what ground we take the decision. So as of now, I cannot say anything based on what ground, and let's hear it I think maybe soon we'll have a meeting, and I believe our president will call a meeting for the party so that once and for all we will solve this meeting. We are family. I don't want this thing to come out where people will talk that MDA itself are not, what to say, understanding each other. So if need to drop, whoever need to be dropped, we should come as a team. We will take it collectively, like how it happens prior. That is collective decision. Even the one who's supposed to be dropped also he understand, and he's willingly he drop. I mean accept the proposal. So the same thing here. So I want it to happen in a proper way.